Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. One of my students the other day said, Uncle Geoff, what's the difference between shadow and shade? How can I use them? Well, let's have a look at some shadows. There's Uncle Geoff's shadow. The street sign casting a shadow on the road. The building on the left making its shadow on the sand. The benches casting their shadows on the cobbles. The sun umbrellas with their shadows on the sand. So what about the shade? So out in the sun, it's very hot. However, in the shade, in the shadow of the umbrella, we don't say, I'm sitting in the shadow. We say, I'm sitting in the shade, where it's cooler and much more comfortable. I love sitting in the shade. People love to sit in the shade because it's cooler and much more relaxing than sitting in the very hot sunshine. So having shade can have a positive connotation, a positive feeling, a positive image. However, shadow can be positive, but it can also be negative. It can have a negative connotation. For example, the bad guys lurk in the shadows of buildings, ready to jump out and attack you. You can cast a shadow over a situation, meaning you're giving some bad influence, some bad feeling to a situation. So shadow can have a negative connotation, but shade, very positive, and everybody wants to sit in it because it's lovely and cool. English grammar, shade and shadow. With Uncle Geoff, it's easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We're going to sit in the shade and have a cup of tea. See you later. Bye-bye.